Are free yoga videos helping or hurting your progress? The truth is, they can actually do both. They're a great place to start, and they're accessible, inspiring. They let you try different routines without any pressure. And if you find an instructor that you enjoy and the videos are making you feel stronger, then that is a big win. But here's where it gets a little bit tricky. Even your favorite YouTube teacher can only take you so far. They don't say, "Good morning, Mary. How are you feeling today?" They don't suggest, "Susie, try this instead if your knees need extra support." And they don't ask at the end of the class, "What felt hard today? Do you need any modifications for any of the poses that we just did? How can I help you grow your practice?" I know that these questions might seem simple, silly, or do I really need someone to ask me these questions? But there's a deeper meaning to the questions because these questions are how you're going to progress. These questions are how that you're going to prevent injuries and how you're going to make sure that you feel connected to a community. And when you're connected to a community, you stay on track even longer than when you normally would have. So, following random videos is kind of like walking into a gym with no plan, no coach, and just hoping that something's going to click. And that's usually when we lose motivation or we get stuck in the same place for months, if not years. So, stick around and I'm going to walk you through 3 scenarios where my students have benefited from Zoom style yoga coaching and how it's different than watching replay videos. And so, hi, I'm Suzanne. I'm a yoga teacher, a life coach, and the founder of the Yoga and Movement Circle, where we host 11 live Zoom classes a week. I support women over 50 in building strength, balance, and confidence through simple, consistent movement. And I make videos just like this to show you how easy it is to start. If you've been following yoga videos on your own but feel unsure, imagine how much more confident that you would feel with gentle movement tailored specific to your body. And if you're looking for guidance like safe modifications after a knee replacement or ways to build strength without overdoing it, I'd love to personally invite you to a free yoga class inside my Yoga and Movement Circle. It's created especially for women 50 plus who want to build balance and strength. So join free yoga below in the comments, and I'll personally reach out to you and help pick the class that's the best fit for your needs. So let me know on a scale of 1 to 10, how helpful have free yoga videos been for your progress? 1, not helpful at all. 10, incredibly helpful. And I'm really kind of curious, let me know which yoga teachers have been the most helpful and who do you like to tune into? So let's start by looking at why free yoga videos do have value and what they might be missing, and how you can finally start making real progress with the right kind of support. So, my first case study is free yoga videos are everywhere, but if you're dealing with something like pain, injury, or a condition like lymphedema, they might actually be slowing down your progress. One of my students who I just spoke with recently struggles with lymphedema in her legs, and movement is painful, but she knows that she has to keep her circulation going. The problem is most days she can't make it to a full Zoom class, and generic YouTube videos aren't made for her needs. So I told her, let's record a custom 5-minute routine just for you, something that you can do morning, noon, and night, even on tough days. But here's what makes the difference from a free video. I check in, I follow up, I ask, is it helping? Do we need to change anything? And if we do, I adjust it for her. So if you're relying on free yoga videos and wondering why you're still not feeling better, this might be why. One size fits all content can't check in and be personal with you. But real accountability and being in a community certainly will. The next case study is another one of my students. I'll keep her name private. She just joined my community recently, a couple of weeks ago, a month ago, and she came because she was dealing with hip pain that made it hard for her to sleep. So whenever she comes to class, I give her specific clues. Try this movement to get the blood flowing into your hip, or here's a modified pose that'll be easier for your knee because I know that she's had a knee replacement. And a few days ago, I told her that um, I was so grateful that she wrote me this beautiful testimonial where she said that she's sleeping comfortable and that she said that I should be charging 4 times what I do for my membership. But honestly, I just love helping women feel good in their bodies. And I was just so grateful that she is overcoming her pain with these yoga stretches. So, my next third case study is a woman who sits all day at work, and she knew that I used to do the same. And what made her join my monthly membership wasn't the workouts, it was me truly knowing what her body needs. One time I reminded her just recently, these stretches are perfect for you to do right at your desk. And don't forget, you should be stretching for 5 minutes every hour when you sit. So it's kind of that personal nudge that I give her. And anytime she feels stiff or tired, I know that she hears my voice in her head. Suzanne told me to stretch every hour, and I really do have time to take care of myself. I really do need to stretch. It's going to feel good. I have been sitting for many hours working at my computer. So, if you're sitting all day and you need a full workout to feel better, or if you have stiff hips, having specific exercises to reset your energy can make all the difference. So, let me know, do you feel more motivated when somebody checks in or no? Let me know yes or no. And if you're looking for someone specific to help you with your yoga routine, to talk with about your personal physical needs and to get some modifications, and I'd love to personally invite you to a free yoga class inside my yoga and movement circle. We could hop on Zoom really quick and afterwards talk about what kind of modifications do you need and what would be a good routine for you to do. Again, I offer 11 live classes a week, chair yoga, gentle strength training with um, weights for beginners. We do chair Pilates also, strengthening the core, breath work, and we just have a great community that offers a lot of things, a book club and health and wellness sessions every Sunday night. So comment free yoga below. I'll reach out to you to help you choose the class that's the best fit. And there's no pressure, just want to support you and give you a chance to move and breathe in a way that feels good to your body. So, talk to you soon. Take care. Bye bye now.